Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. And today's section I am going to give a lecture on Introduction to Phase Control Rectifier. Rectification is a process of converting alternating current or voltage to direct current or voltage. This conversion can be achieved by using power semiconductor devices like diodes, SCR, power transistor, etc. Classification of rectifier. A rectifier circuit are mainly classified into two types. First one, uncontrolled rectifier, and second one, controlled rectifier. In uncontrolled rectifier converts fixed AC input voltage to fixed DC output voltage. Here power semiconductor devices or diodes. In controlled rectifier converts fixed AC voltage to variable DC voltage. This output voltage can be controlled by varying the firing angle of SCR. Types of controlled rectifier. Controlled rectifier can be classified based on the input supply, current of operation, and number of pulses. Based of input supply, it can be classified into two types: single phase control rectifier and three phase control rectifier. In single phase control rectifier have an input of one phase AC power. The structure are very simple, needing one or two or four diodes. This means that the single phase rectifier delivers a small amount of power and has less transformer utilization factor. A single phase rectifier uses only single phase of transformer secondary coil for the conversion, and the diodes are connected to the secondary winding of single phase transformer. This causes high ripple factor. Second one, three phase control rectifier. In three phase control rectifier have an input of three phase AC power. Structure needed 3 or 6 diodes, and these are converted to each phase of transformer secondary winding. Three phase rectifier are used in place of single phase rectifier to reduce ripple factor. Based on current of operation, it can be classified into three types. First one current converter, second one two current converter, and third one fourth current converter. In one current converter means the average output voltage and average output current is always positive. The power flow from source to load. It is also known as semi-converter. In two current converter, the average output voltage is either positive or negative, but average load current is always positive. It is also known as full converter. In four current converter means the average output voltage and current is either positive or negative. It is also known as dual converter. Based on number of pulses, it can be classified into four types. First one pulse converter, second one two pulse converter, and third one three pulse converter, and finally fourth one 6 pulse converter. In one pulse converter means one trigger pulse is to be generated during every cycle of the supply to trigger the SCR. Example, single phase half wave controlled rectifier. In two pulse converter means two trigger pulses or two set of trigger pulses are to be generated during every cycle of the supply to trigger the various SCRs. Example, single phase half controlled or semi converter, single phase full converter. Three pulse converter. Three pulse converter means three trigger pulses are to be generated during every cycle of the supply to trigger the various SCRs. Example, three phase half wave controlled rectifier, three phase half controlled rectifier. In 6 pulse converter means 6 trigger pulses are to be generated during every cycle of the supply to trigger the various ACS. Example, three-phase full converter. Application of phase control rectifier, DC motor speed control, DC supply to inverters, an electrochemical process, HVDC transmission, DC tractions, portable handheld drives. These are all the applications we use phase control rectifier. Thanking you for watching this video.